You can make any headphones wireless using this little device. This is a Bluetooth receiver. It's got an audio in here. You plug your headphones in, plug an aux cable in, wherever you want to make Bluetooth capable, and it'll do that. You press and hold the power on button. It'll connect to your phone via Bluetooth, and whatever you plug it into now has Bluetooth capability. Here's my piano. I plug this thing in to its aux cable. It now has Bluetooth. Here are my headphones. I can't use these because my phone does not have a headphone jack. So I plug this device in, connect the phone to Bluetooth, and I can now use these headphones. I'll put links to some of these in the description. This particular one has the play pause button, forward and back, volume up and down, and then micro USB charge port. There's a lot of different variants of these available online. Like I said, I'll link to some good ones on Amazon, so you can find these. Very, very neat device. You can use that on stuff you wouldn't even expect, like some old stereo. As long as it has an audio in, you can use this and give it Bluetooth capability. Very neat little device. Very cheap as well for what it's capable of. If you learned something out of this video, consider subscribing so you can learn some more.